Have you ever stopped and wondered why some people seem to attract success while others struggle for years? No matter how hard they work, it's not luck, it's not magic, it's the power of the subconscious mind. Your subconscious is like the silent engine of your life. It never stops, it never rests, and it controls 95% of your thoughts, emotions, and actions without you even realizing it. Every belief you hold, every fear you feel, every dream you dare to imagine lives deep inside this hidden mind. Think of it like a fertile garden. Whatever you plant will grow. Plant seeds of confidence, abundance, and love, and you'll see them bloom in your reality. Plant seeds of doubt, fear, and failure, and you'll watch them take over your life. But here's the secret most people don't know. You can reprogram your subconscious. You can teach it to work for you instead of against you. It starts with what you feed it every single day. Your words, your thoughts, your mental images. When you say, "I can't do this," your subconscious listens. When you say, "I am capable, I am strong," it listens too. And it begins to shape your life to match those words. Here's something powerful. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. When you visualize success, your brain fires the same pathways as if you've already achieved it, and that creates a magnetic pull toward making it real. This is why the world's top athletes, entrepreneurs, and leaders all use visualization and affirmations daily. Not because it's positive thinking, but because it rewires the deepest level of their mind. But there's one more truth you must understand. Your subconscious is always learning, even right now. Every thought you think is like a drop of water. That shapes the rock of your mind. Over time, it carves deep rivers that guide the flow of your entire life. So, what rivers are you carving? Are you letting fear and limitation shape your destiny? Or are you choosing to plant seeds of strength, hope, and abundance? You are more powerful than you realize, not because of the conscious mind you're using now, but because of the subconscious mind that's always working in the background, shaping your future, one thought at a time. Feed it with courage, feed it with love, feed it with the vision of the life you want, and watch as your reality begins to transform before your eyes.